Hey everyone, I wanted to give you guys a little PSA. The market is incredibly hard to trade right now, and that's for a few different reasons, but a lot of you guys have been day trading, scalping, long-term trading, and it just hasn't been working out, and it's a very easy explanation. The last few weeks have been absolutely horrible for you guys because the market has been going sideways, and sideways markets will chew up a lot of new investors, and it's just very hard to get your sea legs when the market's going sideways for a few different reasons here. First, a lot of breakouts turn out to be fake outs in a sideways market. You think you're breaking out and it's just a wick and nothing happens and you fall back down, even with momentum. So it's very important that you guys aren't trying to be buying every single breakout that comes along. If you guys are buying a breakout, have it be a breakout that's close to the major level of support on the chop. That's the type of breakout you guys are going to be looking for. On top of everything else, there's a lot of news, and we always have news, but this news is a little bit different because of the Iran war. But the way to mitigate this, because you never know exactly when it's going to happen, most of the time it's going to be happening on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. That's when most of the news breaks. Here, being Monday, we have big breaking news happening. But the way you can protect yourself a little bit more is just to have a tighter stop loss over the weekend. I know it seems kind of weird because you already have your established stop loss thinking, but having that general stop loss a little bit tighter is going to help you guys out a lot. Now, if you're scalping or you're day trading, it's not going to make too much of a difference. You don't have to do that. But if you guys are swing trading and you guys are trying to swing trade from the support to the new resistance level of that sideways trend, yes, that's where you guys are going to be adjusting your stop loss to just be a little bit tighter, because sometimes when you're at those big levels of support, big nasty news can cause a breakdown, and that is very, very important. Specifically, also, if you guys are even in the midsection, there's so much room to fall. It's not something you want to be. You want to have a plan. You want to have a plan, basically, right? Now, a few things here that I think a lot of you guys have been also like, forget it. Holding more than a couple days has been kind of brutal for this market unless you guys have been able to scale out as we've been going along. One of the weird things that I found here as I've been trying to day trade, scalp, and all this type of stuff is scalping, successful. Day trading, highly successful. Swing trading, successful, but a lot more losses in that category and not as much profit as if I was doing scalping or if I was doing day trading. So just understand the grind you guys have to do with swing trading right now is not really a good one, and that's the easiest way for people to start trading. Key for you guys right now is to not give up. The market is eventually going to break down, or it's going to break back out. We're going to have a nice little move. That's going to be where it's a lot easier for you guys to trade. So don't feel bad if you guys are holding on to cash. You're not deploying it every which way like a lot of other investors are. Sometimes it's almost like gambling. You can walk into the casino with a bunch of people. Some people are going to walk out with a little bit more money. Not many people. Most are leaving with a lot less money, and some are leaving with the exact amount they came in with. It's okay to be the guy that walks away with just the same amount of money you walked in with to walk out with, all right? So have a good day, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is WEEX, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders, all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.